showing you how to preserve your fruits and your vegetables using only two ingredients. Yes, which is, if you don't have one, you can use the other one. The ingredients we're using to preserve our fruits or disinfect our fruits and vegetables are this. One is bicarbonate of soda and the other one is vinegar. And when you're using vinegar, make sure you look for vinegar that's grape vinegar, white grape vinegar, okay? Make sure you're using that one and make sure that they are 100% natural, okay? Because you don't want to put chemical into your fruits. All right, so these are my fruits here and some of the vegetables I got here. So let's get to work. So the first thing is to make sure that my sink is well clean. So I'm going to rinse every dirty out of the sink, then we continue. But first of all, I'm going to press this place down because I don't want the water to go out. Okay, the water is enough at this point, so I'm going to make sure that the apple and the other ones are not pressing the grape. This is why I put the grape separate like this. The apple that are on top of the grape are floating on the water. So I'm going to add the vinegar now. Mix everything. Alright, allow them to stay here for 5 to 10 minutes before you take the one out of the water, okay? Alright guys, it's time to start taking them out of the water. So I'm going to go in with the apple that is floating on the water right now. I'm using running water to get them out. You can actually just pick them out like that without rinsing them with a running water, okay? It's just your choice. Alright, I love to have my grapes into this basket here, so I'm going to rinse them and put them directly in there. So I'm going to repeat the same thing with the vegetables, the bananas. You can choose to change the water and add another vinegar into water. You can choose to use the same. I'm using the same because they are the same thing, okay? It's not that they are dirty, they are not dirty. It's just to rinse out the touching hand from the supermarket and also to make the vegetables and the fruits last longer. in the fridge. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm done here. As you can see, I'm going to let them dry or just form everything into the fridge right now. And it's very easy. When you go to the fridge, just pick it up, and it helps them to last longer as well. So here is the cherry tomatoes I bought. Here are grapes, bananas, vegetables, tomato salads, zucchini, carrots, and I actually packed the rest of the vegetable I got. This is not the only vegetable I got. So here I have in here are some kiwis and apple, and two different colors of apple. So here I have some peach, apricot, apple, and lemon, and the rice. Okay, we love to eat seasonal fruits, like fruit that are in the season. I like something like, there's still strawberry at the store, but it's not the season of strawberry right now, so we don't actually buy strawberry when they are out of the season. So these fruits here are the fruits that are in season right now, especially apricot, peach, apple, grapes. Banana is always on. Okay, so, and this kiwi, I don't even know the season of kiwi, but I guess so. But this type of fruit, which is apricot and grape and the rest, we love buying seasonal fruit. If you follow me on my lifestyle channel, you will must have seen me buying different fruit when I do some of the haul. If you don't know that I have lifestyle channel, I'm going to be linking it at the description here. You can follow me up to get to know me more. All right, so here I'm done with this, our fruit. So it's very easy to buy it. Maybe when you want to snack on something, just go to the fridge and just take something, and don't have to worry about maybe your kids go inside there and take some fruit and snack. You'll be, oh, you don't wash them. Don't, they are washed. This vinegar helps them to last longer, or you can use bicarbonate of soda if you don't have vinegar. Okay, and make sure that the vinegar you're using is 100% natural. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.